Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down below in the description box and they have links, so check that out. I also have an Amazon store. All my collections are in one spot. That'll make it easier. I am an affiliate, so I do get a tiny percent of what you buy, so I appreciate that. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see videos when they first come out, hit that notification bell. Okay, so I have pinned, and I've got these jumbo, love them, push pins. So that's what I do here. I'm getting all my corners done, and this is obviously something that has been in the store. I bought it at a garage sale. Look, $1. So you take that off. I love to play on these. If I really like what I do, then, you know, I'll get a bigger one and do that too. So I just want to play for right now. And let's scoot this up. Now, okay. So what I'm wanting to do here is I want to do a black and white ring pour. I'm going to do 4 cups. Just because I just like it. Anyway, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to do my white, and I've got black here. All right, so I'm going to start layering these up. You know what? There's an easier way to do this. I'm pouring on my side because I don't want these to mix. I'm going to try to keep them as crisp as I can, but we'll see how that goes. Okay. Take this off because I have got something in that nozzle. Now I'm going to say my black is heavier than my white, unfortunately. And at this point I'm not even trying to make it not mix. Okay, see that? There we go. I had to push down a corner. All right, here we go. All right, and towards this. I kind of want to keep the look of a 3-ring thing going on here, even though there was 4. I think that will do. Now, you know, I'm gonna put some glitter on it, but I think I'm gonna put silver. So, I want to pick like a good, nice little vein, and it may be just I do a couple of them. Yeah, I definitely like it in this darker one because it kind of takes away a little bit of its dark. I'm gonna throw some just in here. All right, let me bring it in and show you the sparkles. I love the glitter look of one. It's going to be tough to find an angle. There you can see it in the bottom corner. There you go. See how cool that is? So when your viewer's walking by, that's going to catch their eye. That one, and then a little bit there, and then over there. But to look at it straight on, you really don't see them. All right, y'all go have fun with this. Add glitter to stuff.